kept seeing these super satisfying Minecraft-style cutting videos all over my feed, and I couldn't stop watching. So I tested how they're actually made, and the process is way easier than it looks. Let me break it down into just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Create the perfect image prompt. First, open ChatGPT and go to the GPT library. Inside the search bar, look for a GPT that creates ASMR block image prompts. Once you find it, start a new chat. You'll see a few example options. Pick any one to begin. For beginners, something simple like a dirt block works perfectly. The GPT will automatically generate a detailed image prompt for you. It'll then ask if you want to generate the image. Just reply yes. After that, it'll ask which platform you're creating for. Choose YouTube if you want horizontal, or TikTok if you're making shorts. Within seconds, you'll get your first image. Step 2. Upgrade the image quality. Now, sometimes the image looks good, but not great. Maybe the knife angle feels a little off, or the cut doesn't look clean enough. When that happens, don't worry. Just copy the exact prompt you got from ChatGPT and head over to OpenArt. In OpenArt, go to Create Image, switch the model to Imagen 3 by Google, and paste your prompt. Choose a 9:16 size for shorts or reels and generate a few images at once. You'll immediately notice the difference. Pick the cleanest, most satisfying one and download it. Step 3. Animate that image. Next, take that image and upload it to Kling AI under the video section. In the description box, keep things simple. Just describe what should happen, something like a knife slicing through the block with a static camera. Then click on DeepSeek. This automatically rewrites your prompt so it works better with Kling AI's animation system. Once the improved prompt appears, click Use Prompt, then hit Generate. And that's it. You'll get a smooth, oddly satisfying slicing video that looks exactly like the viral ones all over social media, complete with ASMR vibes. The best part? You can repeat this same process with any block you want. All the tools and links I used are in the description so you can start creating right away.